What's up, everyone? This is EchoLynx. Today, we're walking through TryHackMe's Careers in Cyber Room, tasks 1 through 8, nice and smooth, so you know exactly what to read, what to take away, and when to hit that complete button. Task number 1. Introduction. This is your warm-up. You'll see why cyber is such a solid path, high demand, exciting work, strong pay, and how the room is laid out. Skim the intro, lock in those big reasons, and move on. No answer needed here. Press Complete to continue to Task 2. Task number 2. Security Analyst. A security analyst is responsible for maintaining the security of an organization's data. Think of this role as the day-to-day pulse check of a company's security. You work with stakeholders to understand risks. You keep ongoing reports about how the network is doing, and you help build security plans by tracking new attack tools and trends so teams across the company can stay protected. If this sounds like you, the paths to explore are Pre-Security, Cybersecurity 101, and SOC Level 1. There are also helpful reads like Becoming a Cybersecurity Analyst, etc. Once you've read the page, no answer needed. Press Complete to continue to Task 3. Task number 3. Security Engineer. A security engineer designs, monitors, and maintains security controls, networks, and systems to help prevent cyber attacks. Engineers test and screen security measures in software, watch the network and reports for weaknesses, and then roll out the systems the organization actually needs to stay safe. To build toward this, check SOC Level 1, JR Penetration Tester, and Offensive Pen Testing. If you want extra context, look for guides like Becoming a Security Engineer and the others examples in this page. When you're done reading, press Complete to continue to Task 4. Task number 4. Incident Responder. An incident responder identifies and mitigates attacks whilst an attacker's operations are still unfolding. This is live, high-pressure work. You're acting in real time, and you'll hear metrics like MTTD, mean time to detect, MTTA, mean time to acknowledge, and MTTR, mean time to recover. The aim is a fast, effective response that protects data, reputation, and finances. You'll want a solid foundation like SOC Level 1. Read the page, note how incident response plans and post-incident reviews fit together, and then press Complete to continue to Task 5. Task number 5. Digital Forensics Examiner. This role is responsible for using digital forensics to investigate incidents and crimes. In law enforcement, the work focuses on collecting and analyzing evidence to charge the guilty and clear the innocent. Inside companies, you'll investigate incidents like policy violations. Either way, you must collect evidence properly, analyze it to answer the core questions, and document your findings clearly. Take in the differences between the legal and enterprise contexts, then press Complete to continue to Task 6. Task number 6. Malware Analyst. A malware analyst analyses all types of malware to learn how they work and what they do. You'll often hear this described as reverse engineering, peeling back a program to understand it, so a background in programming, especially assembly in C, is a big plus. You'll see both static analysis, studying a binary without running it, and dynamic analysis, executing it safely to watch behavior. And then you package everything into clear reports. Once you've read through those expectations, press Complete to continue to Task 7. Task number 7. Penetration Tester. A pen tester is responsible for testing technology products for security loopholes. You'll plan and run tests against systems, networks, and web apps, perform assessments and audits, review policies, and, crucially, turn results into actionable recommendations. If that's your destination, explore Junior Penetration Tester and Offensive Pen Testing, and consider guides like Becoming a Penetration Tester. When you're done, press Complete to continue to Task 8. Task number 8. Red Teamer. A red teamer plays the role of an adversary, attacking an organization and providing feedback from an enemy's perspective. It looks similar to pen testing, but the objective is different. You're validating detection and response. You emulate real threat actors, try to maintain access and avoid detection, and engagements can last up to a month, often run by an external team for organizations with mature security programs. To prepare, look at JR Penetration Tester, Offensive Pen Testing, and Red Teamer, and there's a helpful read titled Red Teaming. Job roles, salaries, and opportunities. Finish the page and press Complete to proceed to the quiz. That's the full run-through. Take them one by one. Hit Complete where it says so, and by the end, you'll have a clear picture of each role and how to use the linked paths and guides to build your next steps. We've made it to Task 9. This page gives you a quick recap and a View Site button on the right. Click that to open the Careers quiz. It's a short, just-for-fun matcher to see which cyber role might fit you. Don't overthink it. Go with your first instinct on each question. When you finish, the quiz will suggest a role, for example, Incident Responder, and point you toward matching learning paths. Use that as a nudge, not a verdict. If it resonates, great. If not, pick the role you're genuinely curious about. Now hop back to TryHackMe and then press Complete. That wraps the room. Nice work finishing the Careers in Cyber room on TryHackMe.